Hello and welcome to Last Food and Barbecue, Sunday breakfast. So we're going to make some homemade sausage. Seasoning for the sausage meat, or in this case the ground pork, is down below. You can't buy pre-seasoned sausage meat here, so I just make it myself. Make sure it's really well incorporated. Then put it on top of some clingfilm. Shape it into a roll if you want to make flat hamburger, tiny hamburger sausages, or roll them into sausages, whichever. Then once you have the shape you want, put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes just to let it firm up. This is what you have. Unwrap it. Now it's hard, so it's really much easier to work with. Cut it into individual patties and put them in the medium-high frying pan. And this takes a while. Just let the fat render out and let it cook evenly. In the meantime, while that's going, I'm gonna fry up or brown a couple of mushrooms. I'm removing the stems, but I'm cooking them as well because I like them. When it's time to flip, you can just check one and see if they look like this. You move them all to accommodate the mushrooms as well, and then I put a lid on here, which is actually not in the video, and just let them cook. While doing that, I melted some butter in the same pan I did the mushrooms, and I added 4 eggs. For 2 people. I'm making breakfast for 2, so that's good enough. This pan was slightly hot, but it's on low at the moment, so it's gonna cool down and it's all gonna finish off at the same time. I seasoned it with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. It's up to you, your taste. Anyway, it's all done and it's time to plate it. That tabasco buffalo sauce is really good because it contains no sugar. It's quite low carb, and of course you only use a few drops, so doesn't really affect a low carb diet, but no sugar at least. Anyway, this is what it's gonna look like. Some sausage, a couple of mushrooms, and a couple of eggs. Of course you could fry up a couple of tomatoes if you want, but I didn't want to, so I didn't. There we go, good morning. Let's try the sausage without the sugar. It's really good. Tastes actually just like, it's really good. Tastes just like the one with sugar, so no sugar needed. Thank you for watching. Oh, the buffalo sauce is sugar free as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.